Oga, now which work you carry come this house?
Good morning, sir. Thank you, sir. This work na transom window, known as frameless window.
Frameless transom window.
Yes, sir.
Oh yes, sir. Tell us about this window. Now how it dey?
Yeah, this very window, so it dey very strong and they very unique.
Okay.
So wetin make up this very window, so this transom window known as frameless. So the material wey I take produce am na solid king material. The transom, the structural, that is the solid king. So the rod wey cross am na be TNT 16mm rod. Take note, TNT, not be just normal 16mm. This one is TNT rod 16mm with net and 5mm dark glass. Wow. 3 in 1 and dey here so.
Like this one, sir. They'll still put a net for this house.
No, you don't need net, you don't need protector. Yes, sir.
Wow. Oh yes, sir. Moku open this window. Now what is the size of this one, sir?
Okay. This one are 3 feet by 5 feet long.
3 feet by 5 feet.
Yes.
3 feet for the wideness.
For the wideness, 3 feet. For the height,
5 feet.
5 feet.
So my people, I say make Oga open oh yes, sir. Before they go open the window finish, for those who they see you now, make you tell your name now and the name of the company again.
Yes, thank you, sir. My name is Omosigo of Yasoge, known as Tony Aluminium.
Okay, my people, my name is Benin Osamodame, and I welcome all of you to Edo CBC this faithful morning. Now update concerning window. Now we can give you today. This one a frameless transom window with 60mm TNT rod, 5mm dark glass, and USA net. Complete window. So as you can see, they just open and now they just remove the nylon because we want to show that the content of this particular window. Oh yes, sir. Open now. Yeah. Alright, turn the colors ahead. Turn the colors ahead.
So there you go.
Thank you, sir. Oh yeah, Oga Tony, I beg this window. So tell us about them. Tell us what the advantage we carry, the power with this window carry.
Yes, like this very window. So they go for 6 inches block,
okay,
and 5 inches block.
Okay. Because
now slim transom, you see say the right hand put solid king, only for the kings. Okay. So you see the protector now 16mm TNT rod.
Okay.
So now I cross am. So turn am. You see inside. This one I would they call iffy, where they cover the rod, where they don't they see the rod inside. Okay. You understand? Like this very corner now. Once you don't enter wall, they don't smith and do artwork. You not go see all those rods again. So now only this iffy. You see, I say carry the color of the window. So now you they look from outside, from inside. You they see and you not see the rod.
This one like draft protector.
Yes, draft. Horizontal and vertical.
That will be like net so.
Yes, people they always they ask me say which space I they give. This my own. I know they don't say now 4 inches space.
4 inches.
Yes, 4 inches. Gap. So year to year now 4 inches.
Okay, I beg. So just stand up some more. See, I want to make your let's say stand up some more. Okay, thank you very much. You really understand. So that's how it will not be now.
Yes, that's how it be. Year to year now 4 inches.
This one will be adequate security.
No wahala for this one. You don't need any protector for your house again. We know say now God and be our protector, so but then we got to still protect ourselves.
Oh yeah, sir, close and make we turn the back. So my people, when you use this one as an example, okay, the net that you carry go up so.
Yes. When we back am, may we turn am.
Wow.
So now God will protect person. We'll still do our own part.
Do our own part, not be lie. Me not be press me guy.
Yes.
Okay.
So you go see the net like this now.
Yes.
So this one I push up. Leave another me I control. This one I push up now.
Okay.
The way you push them up,
you go open the window.
You're opening.
Okay.
So you see the vertical and horizontal when I they talk. So this vertical, so you see I say now 4 inches wideness now it be and a size of blow. Now it be so it not open. But sometimes for camera, the office say maybe the thing it did like 6 inches. So that is why they let them understand say make them look and where
Okay. Oh yes, sir. This one, and which size you say it be again? This size of
This one 3 feet by 5 feet.
3 feet by 5 feet.
Yes, sir.
Oh yes, sir. This 3 feet by 5 feet. So now, how much this particular one be?
This particular one, so now 170,000.
170.
170
With everything we make
everything we just make them up. 170. You see on a solid king material.
Okay.
This one 16 mm TNT rod.
Okay. 170,000.
170.
Oh yeah. Is it the rod to the down?
Yes, yes. You know, come out for the down. Come out for the down. I don't know if you feel get them.
No, don't worry. They come make I carry my camera nearer. Okay.
Don't say a rough one can based on rainy season.
Okay. 170.
Yes,
for this 3 feet by 5 feet.
Yes.
Window.
Yes.
Everything.
Everything.
Okay. Oh yeah. Shift and come on, sir. Make we bring in another one, another size.
Just kind of go. Bring this kitchen size.
Okay. Wow. This one I got to the new Somali. This one I catch them young. Now be the name of this one.
So,
oh yeah, this one so.
You see this one, and this one are the kitchen size for the house.
Okay.
So this one are 3 feet by 3 feet.
3 feet by 3 feet.
Yes.
Oh yeah, tell us about this one. How is it today?
So now the same thing with the other big one. Just now everything we make up that big one. That's to be this one.
Okay.
Sling transom with 16 mm TNT with net each side.
Okay.
So now be this.
Oh yeah, this one and now be the kitchen side.
Now be the kitchen side.
The size again, sir.
3 feet by 3 feet.
3 feet by 3 feet.
But for our meter, we call them 900 by 900.
Okay. Oh yeah, this one, sir. How much this one be?
This one are 150,000 with TNT 16 mm rod.
Okay. 150.
150.
For this one?
Yes, 150,000.
Oh yeah.
Bring the toilet.
Oh yeah, carry a come out. Once more. So my couple, we just use that one just now as an example.
So this one are the toilet size.
Okay.
This one are 2 feet wideness, 2 feet 4.
Okay, for the height.
Yeah, for the height.
Okay.
So now be this. The same thing we make up the big one. I make up this one.
Okay.
So now still TNT, 16 mm rod. Now be. So this one now I still leave on for 50,000.
50,000.
50,000.
Okay. Well,
that is a long one for me.
So my couple still on the window matter.
So this one a single window.
Okay.
You see this single window now. This the wideness for here now 2 feet wideness.
Okay.
So the height now 5 feet height.
2 feet by 5 feet.
2 feet by 5 feet.
Okay.
So the same 16 mm TNT rod. Now this one still carry with net and 5 mm dark glass. So this one are 140,000. 140. 140.
Okay. Wow. So my people and Ogatoni now they talk to us since they give us updates concerning this particular window installation we can do for one of our viewer. We go show at the house now. Show at the house they want put this window. They walk around. We just make we leave all the sizes of window. What they were not there yet. That one if you see reach there, we go to tell you now about the window. They could have follow me now. We can go show at the house where they install this particular window they put. So my couple, I sit there with Oga Tony Aluminium. Oga Tony, we don't finish the installation of this window, so.
Yes, sir.
Wow. Okay, so my couple, I don't show now the before installation. We will just go around now. Even the price of this window too. Oga Tony too don also tell us. We just want to show now the outcome of how this house can be, the transformation wey Oga Tony can give this house. We not just only Oga Tony, wey Edo CBC platform can give this house, that the transformation that we can show now. So, oh yeah, Oga Tony, you get one window we not talk about. We'll just go straight to that one will be like V.
Yes.
We'll go there.
L.
That L, if you call her L, if you call her V.
That one be the face of the house.
That be the face of the house.
Yes, sir.
We'll go there. So my people gonna follow us, we could take on and go there. Okay. Oh yeah, now.
With the scaffold, they still see them.
They see them clearly. Well.
No.
Oh yeah, so stay for the other side now. No, stay for this side. Small for them because of the name we did.
Okay.
Yeah, tell us about this one.
Yeah, this one now early shape. Okay. This one are the eye of the house.
The eye of the house.
Yes, now into theory. So now be the shape of the house. So now the same solid king material, 5 mm glass, 16 mm TNT. Now make up this early.
Okay.
For here, so this early shape. So this very place now from here to here is 1 meter.
Okay.
So for the other side is 2 feet 7.
Okay.
So this side long past this other side.
Okay.
So this side are 2 feet 7. This side now 1 meter.
Okay.
So now be the design way there.
Oh yeah, so like this one, and how much this one be?
Like this one now, just get everything total together now 180.
180.
Yeah, 280.
Because I tell you what you won't go now. You buy a guan, but now you buy
280.
280,000.
Yes, for this 3.
Okay, for the 3.
Yes, we just group them together and 280.
Oga Wisdom, I beg, wave to the camera. So my couple, as you can see, the move camera don't say that you do the work. When they see her, for lot of them, when they say the contractor with the post, make a near and make one for see her. Not be contractor with the post here. Now those way they work here. That their hand they do. See Oga Wisdom for up. Now they put in Maggie. They put in Maggie for the war. Wow. So this one at 280,000.
Yes, the 3.
The 3.
Yes.
So my people, Oga Wisdom with that. Now they do the plastering of this particular building. Now they do as we speak. So let's see. Those will be day. Ojoro no, they will not show person money. Oh yeah, Oga Tony. We go take them around now. We go show them this job.
This one here, now 2 feet wideness by 5 feet height.
Okay.
So this one are 140,000.
140.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So, Oga Tony, that one we did
yes, that one the same 2 feet. The same 2 feet wideness and 5 feet height. Okay. So with 16 mm TNT. Take note of TNT rod now they use. So that one is still 140,000.
140.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. The same thing.
The same thing with this very one.
Okay.
2 feet by 5 feet. That one are 2. This one are 140,000.
Okay.
So this one are the toilet, visitor toilet. So this one are 2 feet wideness and 2 feet 4. So that one are 50,000.
Okay.
For one.
So my group, this one after installation, and I be this one. Although say the prices we don't talk about before.
So this very one now with TNT rod, solid king material, 5 mm dark glass USA net. That be this one. This one is 3 feet by 5 feet, 170,000.
170.
Yes, for one.
Okay. Nice.
So
this
the
one.
same measurement with this 3 by 5. So
the same amount.
Yeah, 3 by 5.
170.
170.
This one too, the same 170.
Yes. This particular measurement, he also go around for the whole house.
Okay. Nice with that one.
That be that one. So this one are the toilet too, 50,000.
50,000.
2 feet by 2 feet 4.
Okay.
That be that. So those ones are the 170.
Okay.
That be all those ones.
Okay. My people get where I feel we carry show, so I go bear with us.
No space,
No space for the back. The same.
Yes. So you see how the rod long come out. It's 3 inches for the both sides. So that now involve those breaking.
Okay.
So the owner say me I break them.
Okay.
So that is why we do like this.
That's with this one.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, see. Okay.
So no space.
No space for this side, myself. Oh yeah, now we could just so my people, this one I be the summary of this particular job where Oga Omosigo of Yasogiwo no as Tony Aluminium come do for this house. Now the summary that be this one. Note the electrical piping for this house. Now Mr. Taye, one of our electrician, now do one. The plumbing piping now Oga Adebayo, one of our plumber. Now do one. The plastering where they go on now, I show that Oga Wisdom for up just now. Now Mr. Wisdom, now here they do the plastering of this house. This house go show for video very soon because my colleague just come up from here, just Mr. Jimmy. So now they do one. The doors now Mr. Benjamin, that's Oga Benko. Now you supply these doors here. All the entrance and the exit door for this house, now Mr. Benko. Now they supply all these places where they mention their names. So all of them now those CBC they your day. Now those will see the day. So not your fear, not let anybody deceive you. Say, hey, you sure say that be real. Don't worry. Now when you don't pack, enter your house, we can't hand over key to you. After we don't complete the job massively. So that's it. Okay. So my people, this one at the front of the house. I just take on a come the front, make on see how it really day. Because of the shape of this building, and I just take Oga Tony interview for the front of this particular house. Oh yeah, Oga Tony, quickly for those who go see this particular video, we want to patronize you. We go want me call supply them any of this kind of window. This one a frameless transom window.
Yes,
16 mm rod, 5 mm dark glass, and USA net. What about the transport? Are you CPR?
Yes. Now me do the transport.
Okay. The transport now they said this morning?
Yes, sir.
Oh yeah, now quickly, sir, come give them your phone number now and also your office address.
Yes, thank you, sir. So my name is Omosigo of Yasoge, known as Tony Aluminium. So my office address now Okoromi, Iriri Road, off Airport Road, Benin City. So my phone number now 08050385746. That one is my phone number. So I so much appreciate the owner of this house. So much appreciate and God go guide and God go bless him. God go provide for her in Jesus' name.
Amen. So my people, I go join my voice with that of God, Tony. To really say I appreciate this our viewer and all our viewers across board on do well. God will refill on our pocket. God will bless on in every area of our life. This one a window installation. I told her I say the window now Oga Tony way dey my front. So now I supply the window come this house. The plastering now Oga Wisdom take note. Where there those CBC now they do one. This door where they outside so they call her J09. Now Oga Benko. Now you bring a come Mr. Benjamin where they for Cook Road now you supply them. The plumbing piping for this house now Oga Adebayo now do one. The electrical piping now Oga Taye. So the A to Z of this job one they see so we make this house come feel like this. Everybody where they run now those CBC now they day. So not fear at all. Any part of Nigeria where they as far as you want to the reach there, believe me, we will come work for you. Your mind go day at rest. Call Oga Tony with the number where they under for this particular video. Thank you all for your support. Thank you all for your patronage. Don't forget to go follow us on all of our social media and for Rumble, those CBC, Odyssey, those CBC, YouTube, those CBC, Facebook, still those CBC, or go our website, thosecbc.com.ng. You officially watch this particular video for them. My name is remain Igbinovia Osamudame, and this is still Edo CBC.